The crypto market is already coming alive. Slowly, day by day, we get closer to euphoric highs in the market. And right now we're sitting at $3.36 trillion. So I really do hope that we're going to see continuation here and go even higher. I want to see ETH back at $3,000. But in this video, we're exploring some high risk, high reward tokens that could deliver some big gains for you lovely, lovely people. See, the market is indeed looking so good. The month of May has been very rewarding for all categories here and all size cryptos. We've seen all tokens go up, and there are still a few more that I think can still go higher, and a few other gems out there that I am personally looking forward to. I do want to say shout out to my Discord again, making humongous wins. If you want to get big trades, big alphas, and big daily wins, check out my Patreon down below. The crypto legends will now receive our new indicator for free. Trade wave. Now let's crack on to coin number one, which is Maple Finance. Secured lending redefined. I do like these borrowing and lending platforms, as I think they're actually going to become real physical entities one day. So yeah, secured lending redefined, empowering the digital asset economy with secure, innovative lending solutions. And you can see here, 1.61 billion TVL, the borrowed 6.94 billion, 165% plus on the collateral side. And this is the chart here for Maple Finance. And you can see, looking at their market cap, they've actually just pretty much made an all-time high. They've got quite a bit of exchange accessibility. They are on Binance, which is always a good bit of news. But you can see they've just made this incredible run over the last month. They're up 176%. Could maple syrup be on to something big here? So I'm for sure curious. I think, we could see some big upside, some big play here for this particular coin. And naturally, I am excited to see the performance here and to see how much better that this coin could do. 31 cents. I predict it could potentially get to 40, 50 cents should things keep going the way they are. There's a lot of utility here. They've also announced a new Bitcoin yield product, which is probably a big reason as to why they've had this big pump here from March onwards. You can see March 12th. This is when they're basically Bitcoin became a productive asset for them. They've got 46k followers. It's not the biggest, most recognized token out there, so it just gives it that upside potential. So could this be the next big one? Maple, which has recently also landed in Asia, trading on Binance and BitGet Global. So this is all very new kind of plays here, big partnerships. It could be the start of something big, and they still have not launched on many other big exchanges. So this is just like the start, I believe, for Maple Finance. Worth checking out. Do a bit of research down below. If you're buying altcoins or cryptos, you can use KSEX down below as well, because you will save so much money on the trading fees. Next up, we have the OG Seaxi over here. Seaxi is a new 10 to 1,000 X potential pre-sale. We've got $35.5 million raised for this in 1 day, 8 hours. The price will go up again for Seaxi. So this is an ICO. Effectively, you get in early here in the pre-sale process, and then you have the token generation event, you have the bridging, the listings, and the Seaxi deployment will then take place. 1 SOX is $0.001724. You can check this website down below. Connect to your favorite wallet and buy some of this crypto with Ethereum or Tether. Wait a few weeks until it goes live, then claim it into your wallet and sell it on the exchanges once it does go live. They're probably wondering, what is Seaxi? Well, it is a utility-based layer 2. It helps scale basically the Solana pain points like network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations. So yeah, definitely a lot of utility here, waiting for that TGE and bridging an event, which will hopefully not be too far from here. They've got 138 billion tokens. Pretty awesome ecosystem. I do like this one, and a very big Twitter at 74.2k followers. They're pushing every day. $35 million is no joke here in this market. This is a big raise, and we could see something big happen for Seaxi, so I'm very much looking forward to it. Not financial advice, never risk when you can afford to lose, but we could see something juicy here. Next up, we have Wagyu Cash, which has gone live already and trading on DEX. These guys have already pumped quite a lot already. They've corrected a bit, but the liquidity pool is locked in, and they've got tons of marketing in the pipeline still, so could be worth checking out. Wagyu Cash over here, still really bullish on the overall ecosystem, still holding a lot of this token, haven't sold a single token either, which is absolutely crazy. They recently just had their coin market cap listing, so we can now see this for Wagyu Cash becoming more verified in more places. And here is the sort of price action for the token over here. So looking pretty good, actually. Quite happy to see this. I'm just hoping that we're going to see this thing fly from here. Obviously, got a lot of support at 0.021, 21 million market cap. Actually, the live MC is 23.31 million market cap with $835,000 liquidity. So, of course, this is a meme coin. It's probably also going to rely on the rest of the market and the conditions in the actual overall crypto markets. But if we see an alt season and an alt run, you know, we could easily pump out of this descending wedge here and maybe move up to like a $30-40 million market cap. That's what's next on our radar. Next up, we have another finance-based token, Aerome Finance. Now, this one is $588 million market cap. It did actually hit an all-time high of 1.57 billion. So if it does return back to those levels, we're looking at 2, 3, 4, 5x potential gains based on this. It's sitting at 72 cents. The overall volume is down a bit on the day here, as we can see. The market accessibility, not quite as good as Maple. It's not on Binance, but it is, of course, on their own chain and Coinbase as well, which is always a good bit of news. And yeah, effectively, you know, they've got their own DEX at the same time, but they're also doing the borrowing and lending decentralized part of things too, you know, similar to Aave and Aave, if you want to call it that. But yeah, for sure, I'm bullish on this one too, guys. So there's a few tokens here that I think can do well. Of course, there are so many other cryptos in the market that have a great shot at doing well too. I mean, just look at the day. We're seeing so many altcoins up at the moment, which is just beautiful to see. But we do need more conviction in this market, and we need to start moving a little bit quicker, I think, because with consolidation becomes confusion, becomes impatience, becomes, you know, irrational moves. And that could be a big move to the upside or a big move to the downside. You can see, looking at the fear and greed, we are now back into that greed. How crazy 1 month of time changes so much. So yeah, guys, before we go, check out my Discord. It's free to join. We have a giveaway going live real soon. And yeah, like I say, people are making wins constantly in the Discord here. This is Jacob's Crypto Clan, 37.8k members. Get yourself down below. It's free to join. If you want to get into all the private channels, then you do have to become a patron, which can cost from anywhere between $4 per month and $110 per month, depending on which package you want to go for. Of course, no pressure in getting the biggest one, but this will indeed give you the most reward. So yeah, that's about a wrap there, guys. Hope you enjoyed. To summarize, we had coin number 1, Maple Finance. Coin number 2, a Seaxi. The link is down below. Do a bit of research, have a look at the coin. We've also got Wagyu Cash trading on DEX right now. And yeah, hopefully big launches are going to come soon. And we also have the last one, which is Aerome Finance, worth also checking out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon. You take care of yourself, you lovely people. Peace.